You've lost track of time, don't know how to